Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we'll show you if you have a Lenovo laptop and you are facing a secure boot enable issue. So this video is for you. So right now we have a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop P53. So we'll see how we can fix the issue. So let me try whether it is booting or not. So I'm pressing F12 and try to go to boot menu. So from here I will select a USB and we'll see whether it is booting or not. So I have booted and now you can see the error here. It is clearly mentioned that secure boot is enabled on my laptop. So if you are facing this issue, so you have to go to BIOS and do the required changes in BIOS. So for that you have to restart and then press F1. Keep on pressing. So it will take you to BIOS. Then you have to go to secure boot option. For that you have to go to security tab and then secure boot, and under secure boot just press enter, and from here you can enable and disable the secure boot. So make sure it is disable. After disable we will check. Now it should work after restart. So if you're facing any other issue, make sure you comment below. We will reply to all the comments, and if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.